Hello guys, thanks a lot for joining me. This is Roy Machingura. Welcome back to Pep Valley, your channel for your weekly pre-market analysis. Today we're going to be covering the weekly and the daily chart of the Euro USD. If you want to watch the monthly analysis, just click on the link above where you'll be directed to the video with our quarterly and monthly analysis. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. These lines are marking my areas of interest. In the past 2 weeks, we noticed that we had the size of our area of inefficiencies, where it was the distance between this week and this other week, because in this the price just made a bullish move, right? And there was market inefficiency here, and what we have noticed is that the price is clearing up the inefficiency, and you can notice that now we are left with this much inefficiency. So what we're expecting in the coming week is a scenario where this downward push continues and then it clears up this inefficiency, and once it clears up this inefficiency, we'll be expecting the price to move to the upside, making a retracement where it will come and test this order block. And if this proves to be an area of resistance, then we would see that the price will be pushed to the downside, break this structure to form a lower high before moving maybe to come to this area because of this order block. So this is the bearish move that we're expecting. And then in terms of the bullish move, we're expecting that once it clears up this inefficiency, that rejection to the upside, this is the bullish move that we are expecting right for now, because overall we can notice that we had this double top here, and also our neckline has been violated, so we're expecting a push to the downside. Okay, in another bearish scenario, once it clears up this inefficiency, it can continue with the bearish movement, right? Break this, retest it, and then move up to our 1.12420. so these are the movements that we're expecting on the weekly chart. Now we move on to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we've got two areas of interest: this order block and this one. As for now, let's ignore these two blue lines. The first scenario is that, remember that on the weekly chart we have area of inefficiency below this level, right? This marks our area of inefficiency according to the weekly chart, right? So what we'll be expecting is a scenario where the price moves up again to mitigate this order block, and once it does, then it moves to the downside and clear up the inefficiency. Maybe on that we'll be targeting the price 1.14040. so this is the bearish move that we'll be expecting, where it will be targeting 1.14040. now on the bullish side, we'll be expecting that this part is a false break. So in that case, we'll be expecting that the price may come to this level, pull back, right, to come and mitigate this order block, and then this will result in a push to the upside, breaking this level and forming a new high, then push back to retest it and come to test this order block. This level might be just a point where it will then maybe make a retracement, right, before breaking it and coming to this order block around 1.17932, right? So this is the bullish move that we'll be expecting, but with higher probability we expecting the bearish move, so that it could clear up the inefficiency that's below, maybe up to around 1.14040 level. So these are the movements that we'll be expecting on the Euro USD daily and the weekly time frame. So thanks a lot guys for joining me. It was a pleasure having you here. Thank you for the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. If you have any other levels that you can notice and that I'm not aware of, please just put it in the comment section. Also, I appreciate the feedback. Even if it's negative, I appreciate it, because I don't see everything. There are cases where I see an order block that has already been mitigated. So I appreciate all the feedback that you're giving me. So that leaves me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with great. Roy Machingura out.